welcome to my channel 1729 Maths Academy. And today in this video we are going to discuss the problems based on the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric values, and all students total clever, like 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta and 360 minus theta. In the four quadrants, what type of problems we are going to solve, let us discuss. And based on the trigonometric identities also we are going to discuss the problem. So near about 40 problems are there in the exercise. So everybody watch the full video till the end of my video, and like this video, subscribe everybody, those who are watching, and those who are not the subscribers of this channel, suggest your friends to subscribe my channel. And if anybody want the solutions of this exercise in the descriptive way, follow my WhatsApp channel. So the details about this channel, WhatsApp channel, I will give you in the description, or through this scanner also you can join in my channel. So let's start the video.
First question from the exercise, it is given that 13 pi by 6 value you have to find. So radians it is given, you should find in the degrees. So how it is, 13 pi by 6, pi radians equal to 180 degrees, and 13 into 180 by 6, then 6 1s are 6 30s. So 13 into 30 is minus 390 degrees is the correct option, that is first one. Okay. In this question, 1358 degrees can be written as 90 into 15 plus 8, and 3608 can be written as 90 into 40 plus 8 degrees we can write. So 90 into 15 plus 8, so this can be written as 15 pi by 2 plus 8, and it lies in fourth quadrant, so it is cot minus. And tan 40 pi by 2 plus theta lies in first quadrant, so it is positive, so both are gets cancelled, answer 0. 660 minus sin 60, so minus sin 60, remember it which quadrant, and tan 1050, and next term in the numerator is sec 420, and next in the denominator first term is cos 225, and next cosec 315 and cos 510 it is given. So sin of minus 660 is in fourth quadrant, so it becomes minus. In fourth quadrant sin is minus. 660 can be written as 2 times 360 minus 60, and tan 1050 can be written as 3 times 360, that is 1080 minus 30, 1050. And next 420, sec 420 can be written as 360 plus 60, and sec of minus theta in fourth quadrant is positive. Next cos 225 can be written as 180 plus 45. Cosec 315 can be written as 360 minus 45, and last cos 510 can be written as 3 times 180 is 540, 540 minus 30 is 510. And now if you observe 2 times 360, 2 times 360, it is in the form of 2 pi minus 2 into 2 pi minus theta. This is in fourth quadrant, so this become minus sin 60. Sin is minus in fourth quadrant, and tan 3 times 360 minus 30, tan 3 times 360 minus 30 is in fourth quadrant, so that is minus tan. And sec 360 plus theta is in first quadrant, plus sec cos 180 plus theta, that is in third quadrant. In third cos is minus, so cos 180 plus theta, and cosec 360 minus theta is in first quadrant, so cosec 45, and cos 3 pi minus theta, it is in second quadrant, so second quadrant cos is minus. So if you substitute the values all, we get in this way: minus 3 by 2 sin 60, tan 30 1 by root 3, sec 62 minus minus as it is, cos 45 1 by root 2, cosec 45 root 2, and cos 30 is minus root 3 by 2. So if you cancel root 3 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and here 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 also gets cancelled, and next minus root 3 by 2 left minus minus, and this minus minus gets cancelled. Only that term left is 1 by root 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by root 3. So that is the option third one. So in this fourth question, theta is not in fourth quadrant given. So tan theta is minus. If theta is not in fourth quadrant, so what, in which quadrant it lies? It lies in tan theta equal to minus 4 by 3, already given in the question. And next you see, if you observe quadrant, tan is positive, tan is negative either in second or fourth quadrant. Why? Because tan is positive in first and third quadrant. So if theta angle is not in fourth quadrant, means it can lie in second quadrant. That only we have written. So using the Pythagoras triplets 3 4 5, you can write the remaining angles. So tan theta equal to 4 by 3, so 4 is opposite and 3 is adjacent. So sin theta equal to, you can write 4 by 5. So why? Because 5 is the hypotenuse. In the same way, cos theta equal to, you can write cos ratio, what it is, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So cos is minus in second quadrant, that's why, and sin is positive in second quadrant. Based on this second quadrant, you have to write the symbols. Now question is given that see this 5 sin theta, 5 sin theta plus 10 cos theta and 9 sec theta values plus 16 cosec theta and plus 4 cot theta is given. So let us substitute all the values one by one based on these two results. So 5 as it is, sin theta value you got here 4 by 5, writing as it is, plus cos theta value we got minus 3 by 5, right here, plus 9 into sec is the reciprocal of cos, so cosec value becomes minus 5 by 3, plus 16 cosec theta, cosec is the reciprocal of sin, becomes 5 by 4, plus 4 cot theta is the result of this reciprocal of tan, already given in the question, so 3 by 4 minus, and here 5 gets cancelled, 4 left, 5 1 5 2 gets cancelled, so 2 3 6, okay, and here 3 1 3 3, so 3 5 15 left, and here 4 1 4 4 4 5 20, plus and minus minus 4 4 gets cancelled and minus 3. So if you simplify all this, you will get 4 minus 6 minus 2, okay, and here 20 minus 15 is 5 plus 3, so answer is the 0, and you see the option for this question. So here 4 options are given. In these 4 options we have to find which of the following is the correct answer. So here in all options given, they are compared with sine 1 degree and sine 1 radian given. So if you observe this, sine 1 means you have to understand sine 1 radian. 1 radian equal to, that is we have written already, sine 0.1 radian equal to 0.8415, and sine 1 degree equal to, you can write 0.0175. So these are the values of both. So if you compare this, sine 1 degree is 0.01 and sine 1 radian is 0.84. So in these two results, sine 1 degree is very less. So sine 1 degree is less than sine 1. So option, if you observe second one, sine 1 is less than sine 1 radian. So that is the correct answer. Now we see what is given in the question. Seventh one, sine 48, sec 42, cos 48 and cosec 42 it is given. So in this, let us change one term in each of the sine values. Uses 48 we can write as 90 minus 42, 42 writing as it is, plus cos 48 can be written as 90 minus 42, and second term cosec 42 I am writing as it is. And now sine 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, theta value 42, and second not changing anything, but cosec sec reciprocal is cos, and cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta, that is sin 42, and cosec reciprocal is sin, so that can be written as 1 by sin 42. 42 gets cancelled, cos gets cancelled, so here 1 and here 1 plus 1 gives the result 2, so that is the option 2. So next, eighth one, to do this problem let us use this formula. Log a plus log b is the result of log of a into b. In the question also sum it is given, so I am writing in the form of products. Log of 17 into log of tan 37 and into tan 53, and last term is tan 73, like a into b, a into b, a into b, like that I am writing. So in this way, tan 17 writing in the form of 90 minus 53 we can write. So 90 minus 53 can be written as 17. And next, if you observe, tan 37 can be written as tan 90 minus 73. If you write, you will get 37, and the remaining two I am writing as it is, tan 53 and tan 73. And now if you write log of tan 90 minus theta, it gives cot theta in first quadrant positive, and also tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot 73, that is also in first quadrant. The remaining two terms I am writing as it is. Okay, and next here if you observe, tan and cot both they are reciprocals, so cot and cot 53, tan 53, tan 73, tan cot 73 can be cancelled, so 1 left. So log of 1 value always 0 based on this result, x power 0 equal to 1 or log of 1 equal to 0. So that is the result, and option is the 0 is correct answer. Next, ninth one, if we observe, cos 24 plus cos 55, first two terms I am writing as it is, and next 125 I am writing as 180 minus 55. 180 minus 55, if you do, you will get 125, and 204 I am writing as cos 180 plus 24. To get the remaining terms I have written in this way. So first term as it is I am writing, and second term also writing as it is, and plus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos 55, that is in second quadrant, cos negative, that's why plus into minus minus, and again cos 180 plus theta, it is in third quadrant, in third quadrant cos is minus, so cos 24 gets cancelled, cos 55 gets cancelled, so answer is 0 and option is 1. In 10th problem, so we have to find sec theta plus tan theta equal to 3 given. We should find the value of sec a. So what is given, let us write. First, it is given condition is that sec theta plus tan theta equal to 3 given, and let us use one identity, that is sec square a sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So based on this identity, let us try to find this solution. So this is in the form of a square minus b square equal to 1. So a square minus b square formula is a minus b and a plus b. So that is first one, and second is a plus b equal to 1. And here it is given in the question, that is sec a minus tan a, writing as it is sec a plus tan a value 3 given, I am writing as it is equal to 1. So now we get sec a minus tan a, 3 multiplying quantity. Let us transfer this side, so it becomes 1 by 3. So let us take first one. It is given in the question, that is sec a plus tan a equal to 3. So let us add these two results. Then what we get is, tan and tan gets cancelled. Sec a plus sec a, 2 sec a is equal to, we get 3 plus 1 by 3 value we get. So 3 plus 1 by 3 can be written as 2 sec a equal to 3 is LCM, and 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Again 2 multiplying quantity will divide. How you see, sec a equal to 10 by 3 and into 2 divides here, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So sec a answer is 5 by 3. So you see the correct option given in the question. So it is given sec theta minus tan theta equal to 3 given. And now by using the identity, what is, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And next you can write this in the form of a square minus b square, sec a minus b into a plus b, that is sec a minus tan a, sec a plus tan a equal to 1 given. So the value of sec theta minus tan theta equal to 3 given. Let us write here. So second bracket sec a plus tan a equal to 1, I am writing as it is, and 3 here multiplying quantity, let us take that side. So that sec a plus tan a equal to 3 divides 1. So here 1 by 3 it becomes. So here we got in the question one result, that is first one let us take. Now we got second result we got. So these results what we do, let us add one by one. So what we get, you see, first result sec a minus tan a equal to 3, and the second result is sec a plus tan a equal to 1 by 3. So how we did in the last problem, like that only we are doing here. Tan gets cancelled, and sec plus sec becomes 2 sec a equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. So this becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1. So it becomes sec a equal to 10 by 3, and here 2 is multiplying quantity will divide 2 5 times. So sec theta equal to, we get 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 it is looking like positive. So if sec is positive, cos also positive we can write. So cos and sec positive, which quadrant? Think about that, and let us subtract the same result. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to 3, and the second result is sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by 3. Now let us subtract both. So when you subtract, symbol will be changes. So sec and sec gets cancelled, and this minus tan plus minus becomes minus tan equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 we get. So answer we get 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 equal to, we get 8 by 3. So tan a equal to, how we get, you see, tan a equal to, we get 8 by 3, and here 2 divides here, 2 4s are. So tan a equal to, we get, here minus is there, minus 4 by 3 we get. So here tan is negative, so tan is negative, and cot also negative. So tan negative and cos positive, previous result, based on this previous result. So theta lies in fourth quadrant. So option is fourth quadrant, remember it. So here easily you can find this value. It is not looking lengthy. Let us substitute in all these angles, or in theta place let us write 0 degrees. So what we get, 3 into sine 0, 3 into sine 0 minus cos 0 power 4, and next plus 6 into sine theta plus cos theta whole power square, and plus 4 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. So if you write all the values, 0, sine 0 minus 0 and cos 0 is 1 power 4, sine 0 0 and cos 0 1, square as it is I am writing here, and next plus 4 into sine 0 0 power 6, cos 0 1 power 6, close the bracket, and equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 minus 1 power 4 plus 6 into 0 plus 1 1 power square, and 4 into 0 plus 1 is 1. So this become minus 1 positive 3, and plus 6 1 is 6, and plus 4, 3 plus 6 plus 4, 13 is the correct option. So you follow this when the MCQ types are given. The same problem I will explain in the next descriptive way how it will be asked. So this is the descriptive method you have to follow for 12th one. So already I explained in the class. So using these three terms, first term you have to use a minus b whole square here, and second term you have to use a plus b whole square, and third you have to use this formula, a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. In a place you have to substitute sin theta, and b place you have to substitute cos theta in first, and in second a plus b whole square you have to substitute a equal to sin theta cos theta, you will get a square b square 2ab, and three results when you add you will get the answer. So question is given that sin square alpha divided by 1 plus cot square alpha, and second term is tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square this is, and plus cos square alpha. So by using the identities we can simplify this problem easily. So sin square alpha writing as it is 1 plus cot square alpha, its identity is cosec square alpha, and tan square alpha writing as it is 1 plus tan square alpha is sec square alpha, this is the identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and last one I am writing as it is. And next sin square alpha writing as it is cosec we can write in the form of 1 by sin square alpha plus tan square alpha writing as it is, and in the denominator I am writing sec can be written as tan I am writing as sin square alpha by cos square alpha, and sec I am writing as 1 by cos square alpha cos 1 by cos sec reciprocal, and cos as it is I am writing. And next here sine square and square becomes 4 times, and here sine square alpha in the numerator, and in the denominator here cos square alpha, here cos power 4 alpha. Some here from 4 cos terms 2 cos terms gets cancelled, so 2 cos square alpha will multiply in the numerator, and next term last one as it is. Now in first two terms, if you observe, there is one common term, that is sine square alpha. So if sine square is alpha left, one square left inside, one more cos square left inside, and plus third term writing as it is. So here we got in the form of identity, that is sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, last one 1. So sine square alpha into 1 is 1, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, again we get one answer. Option is 1 is the correct answer. Next, if you observe this question, cos 3a plus 2b plus c by 2. Here you see 3a I am writing as 2a plus a, 2a plus 1a, 3a, and 2b I am writing as same as it is. C I am writing as 2c minus c divided by 2. Okay, and next second term I am writing as it is, not changing anything. And now if we observe here, we are getting 2a, 2b, 2c, 2a and 2b, 2c. Let us write ones together, 2a plus 2b plus 2c by 2, and remaining terms other than 2a, which are a and minus c, I am writing plus a and minus c and divide by 2 as it is. Okay, and now second term as it is, cos a minus c by 2. And next you see cos, in all these two terms let us take 2 common. So if 2 is common, we get a plus b plus c inside, a plus b plus c, and by 2 plus a minus plus a minus c by 2, writing as it is. And next term also I am writing as it is, plus cos a minus c by 2. Okay, and now if you observe here, there is a common, 2 gets cancelled, so a plus b plus c left, and next term writing as it is, a minus c by 2, close the bracket, plus second term writing as it is. Already given in the condition, a, b, c are the angles of a triangle. So in a triangle, sum of 3 angles, that is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c equal to, you can write 180, and remaining terms I am writing as it is. So cos 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, cos is negative. So minus cos 180 plus theta is minus cos a minus c by 2 plus cos a minus c by 2 as it is from the question I am writing. So both negative positive terms will be gets cancelled. So answer is 0 and option is 1. And here question is given that sine square 51 degrees minus x plus sine square 39 degrees plus x. So how do you change? So using the identities we have to convert this into simplest way. So 51 minus x writing as it is, and next is sine square 39. How I am writing, you see, by using 90 you can write that is. So first one not changing anything, sine square. So 51 I am writing as 90 minus 39. 90 minus 39 and minus x as it is, and second term in the question given writing as it is. So here sine square, and in this 90 writing as it is. In these two terms taking minus common, so minus become plus, and this term I am writing as it is 39 plus x. And now you see sine 90 minus theta, it is in first quadrant, so sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So a square is there following as it is, theta plus 39 plus x writing as it is. So this is in the form of sine square theta plus cos square theta. So that is the identity and one. So option is third one. Identity we used is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That's all. So question is given that sine square pi by 18 plus sine square pi by 9 plus sine square 7 pi by 18 and plus sine square 4 pi by 9. In the same way, in the denominator also we have the same terms, that is pi by 18, pi by 9, 7 pi by 18, 4 pi by 9. How we change, you see, first one, so I am changing radians to degrees. 180 by 18 10, 180 by 9 20, and this pi by 18 already 10 we got, 10 7 is 70. So pi by 9 you got already 20, 24 is 80 I am writing. In the same way, denominator also the same terms it repeats in the cos terms. First term cos square 10, second term cos square 20, third term cos square 70, and fourth term is cos square 80. So now we have to use the identities. So how we use identity, 10 I am writing as 90 minus 80. Okay, 10 can be written as 90 minus 80 to get similar to this, and 20 can be written as 90 minus 70, so to get similar to 20, and remaining two terms writing as it is. Okay, divided by, in the same way let us follow the same method how you follow in the numerator. Cos 10 can be written as 90 minus 80, 20 can be written as cos 90 minus 70. So remaining two terms I am writing as it is. Now using sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. So that is theta equal to 80, cos square 80, and this also becomes sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos square 70, and remaining two terms I am writing as it is without changing anything. And in the denominator also let us use that formula. Cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta, cos 90 minus theta again written as sin 70, and remaining two terms I am writing as it is. And next is, if you observe, we are getting the similar terms, one is in cos, one is in sin. So that is cos square 80 and here sin square 80 writing at a time, plus remaining two terms sin square 70 writing here, and next cos square 70 also, cos square 70 also writing here as it is. And in the denominator also let us follow the same rule, sin square 80 and cos square 80 write at a time, plus sin square 70 plus cos square 70 write at a time, like this. So this is in the form of identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we get 2 by 2 result, that is 1. So option you see first one. CD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in this cyclic quadrilateral, you have to understand what about cyclic quadrilateral and what rules we have to follow in this question. So let us draw one cyclic quadrilateral. So if all the four vertices if lie on a So circumference of circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilaterals, the opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles are supplementary. That is A plus C equal to 180 and B plus D equal to 180. Let us use these two results in this question. Okay, so let's start. First one, what is given, cos 180 plus A, and second one is cos 180 minus B, and third one is cos 180 minus C, and next minus sin 90 minus D. Okay, so these are given terms in the question. Now cos 180 plus theta, so this is in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, cos is minus, and here 180 minus B, 180 minus B, I am writing here B term is there, you see, B equal to D equal to, you can write plus B, take that side, minus B. So D place you can write 180 minus B, that is written. And next 180 minus C, here if you observe C value 180 minus C take this side minus C, and A value. So 180 minus C place you can write A. Sin 90 minus theta, first quadrant, cos theta, that is cos D. So cos D, cos D, cos A gets cancelled. Answer is 0. So option is 2. Now 18th one, if you observe, let us simplify first, then you will get answer easily. So here remember it, pi means 180 degrees. So sin 90 minus theta, this is 180 by 2, 90 minus theta, and this is pi equal to 180, sin 180 minus x, and here square already given in the question, whole square, writing as it is, plus cos 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 can be written as 270 degrees minus x. Okay, and second term is plus cos 2 pi can be written as 360 minus x, and total term whole square it is given, whole square writing. Now you see, let us simplify these values. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta in first quadrant, sin 180 minus theta in second quadrant, sin is positive, plus sin, and whole square writing as it is, plus cos 270 minus theta, it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative, so it can be written as minus sin x, and cos 360 minus theta, it is in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so plus cos x whole square. Now let us expand by using a plus b whole square. First one, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here use it the same, cos square a square, sin square b square plus 2ab to sin x cos x. And here also let us use a minus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square and minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2ab can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Now if you observe in this result, 2 sin plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 plus 1 2, and option is 2. Is given that sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 equal to 3 given. Using this you have to find the value of cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3. So in this all, let us take theta 1 equal to 0, theta 1 and theta 2, theta 3, all the three angles, let us substitute 90 degrees in all, so that first condition given that sin theta 1, sin theta 2, sin theta 3 equal to sin 90 plus sin 90, again let us take sin 90 3 times. So sin 90 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3 will satisfy the result. So you can determine that theta equal to 90 degrees. So in the same way, let us substitute theta equal to 90 degrees in the question, that is cos theta 1 cos 90, cos theta 2 also cos 90, cos theta 3 also cos 90. So now cos 90, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. So option is 1. Sin x plus sin square x equal to 1 given. We should find the value of cos square x plus cos power 4x. Options are given. So sin x plus sin square x equal to 1 given. So let us take sin x equal to plus sign, let us take that side. So plus becomes minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x identity is cos square x. So sin x plus you can write cos square x. And the question is given that cos square x plus cos power 4x equal to. So in these two terms, let us take cos square x value, got result sin x you write, cos power 4x equal to, you can write cos square x whole square. Okay, so this sin x writing as it is, cos square x again you can write here sin x, and square writing as it is. So sin square x plus sin x value already it is given in the question, that is 1. So answer is 1. So in the question it is given that cos x minus y equal to minus 1 given. So minus 1 I am writing as cos 90 plus 90. Why? Cos 90 plus theta is sin 90. Okay, in second quadrant it is minus 1. So cos 90 plus 90, 180 I am writing. So if cos gets cancelled, x minus y equal to 180. Then cos x plus cos y asked question. Cos x writing as it is, in y place can we write 180 plus x, that only written in y place. So it becomes cos x plus cos 180 plus theta, minus cos x. So minus cos x and plus cos x can be cancelled. So this can be written as 0. So it is given that in the question sin x plus cosec x equal to 2 given, we have to find the value of sin power 8x cosec power 8x. So let us take x equal to 90 degrees. So in the question let us substitute sin x plus cosec x place, let us write sin 90 and cosec 90. So sin 90 is 1, cosec 90 also 1. 1 plus 1 gives the result and which satisfy the given condition. So in x place you can write 90 degrees, and question is asked that sin power 8x plus cosec power 8x. So this can be written as in the form of sin x value. Let us take 90 and power 8, cosec x place 90, let us write and power 8. So here also we get 1 power 8 plus 1 power 8, 1 power 8 1, and also 1 power 8 also 1, 1 plus 1 2, and option is the 2. Already given 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin B, and 1 plus sin C equal to k given. So let us write that k. And next what is given, 1 minus sin A, second one, and second term 1 minus sin B, 1 minus sin C, also k given. So let us use these two results, first one and second one. So if you multiply both, what you will get, 1 plus sin, 1 minus sin. So this become a plus b, a minus b formula, a square minus b square. Second also 1 square minus sin square b. Third also 1 square minus sin square b equal to k square, we get k into k. So here you know identity, that is 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A, 1 minus sin square B equal to cos square B, 1 minus sin square C equal to cos square C equal to k square. So in all the terms square is common, okay, and here square becomes plus or minus. If you take that side, under root k square, square gets cancelled. So cos A cos B cos C equal to plus or minus k we get. So we need to find the value of k. So let us take plus or minus this side, plus or minus k equal to cos A cos B cos C. So that is the answer, option 2. Next, if you observe this one identity, we have to use sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and next we have to use one more identity, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So first term it is given, you see cosec square A equal to, you can write 1 plus cot, okay, by using this cot writing as it is. Sec square A equal to, you can write minus tan become plus tan, 1 plus tan square A, and tan writing as it is, and here minus cot square A tan square A writing as it is, into here in this sec square A I am writing again 1 plus tan square A, and next cosec square A I am writing as 1 plus cot square A by using these two results, minus 1 as it is. Next you see I am multiplying here 1 into cot square A into cot square A cot power 4A minus 1 into tan square A, and tan square A into tan square A is tan power 4A, and minus into plus minus, okay. And now here cot square A minus tan square A, let's write as it is. And next if you multiply these two terms, 1 into 1 into cot square A, tan square A into 1 is tan square A, and tan square A into cot square A is tan square A into cot square A, and last minus 1 is as it is, bracket close. Now in these terms if you observe cot power 4A and tan power 4A writing at a time. Next cot square A, this cot square A and minus tan square A writing at a time, these two, okay, and remaining two terms I am writing as it is, this bracket as it is. And in this bracket what changes, you know, 1 plus cot square A plus tan square A, and you know here tan and cot both they are reciprocals, tan and cot gets cancelled, it becomes 1 and minus 1, okay, and here 1 minus 1 will be gets cancelled. Next you see, so here if you take cot square A minus tan square A is common, so this is in the form of a square minus b square, so a square plus b square, a square minus b square, and a square plus b square left inside, okay, a minus b common, and this is a plus b, and in this also total it goes as a common 1 left, and this bracket outside what the term is there, that is outside the common, so here also 1, and remaining terms are 1 plus cot square A plus tan square A, close it. So here 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Next cot square A minus tan square A into here you see cot square A plus tan square A plus 1 multiply by 1 into 1 and 1 into minus cot square A tan square A, and next what terms gets cancelled, you see minus cot square A plus cot square A plus tan minus tan gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so no number left here in this bracket, so no number left means it becomes 0, so multiplication by 0 is answer 0, so option is 1. See this, what is given? Tan square theta plus sec theta equal to 5 given. This is in the form of quadratic equation. So by using the quadratic equation rules, we have to find the value of sec theta. So tan square theta writing as it is plus sec theta equal to 5. So you know one identity, that is tan square theta equal to you can write as sec square theta minus 1 plus sec theta equal to 5. So 1 sec plus 1 sec become 2 sec square theta, sec square theta as it is, and minus 5, let us take this side, minus 1 minus 5 it becomes. So 1 5 6 6 factors 3 2s are, so 3 minus 2 we get 1, that is middle term coefficient. Sec square can be written as 3 sec theta minus 2 sec theta minus 6 as it is equal to 0. So in first two terms let us take sec theta common, sec left, and here plus 3 left. In second two terms 2 common, here sec left plus 3 left, and in these two terms again sec theta plus 3 is common. Remaining two terms are sec theta minus 2 equal to 0. So both in the product let us make two terms equal to 0. First one 0 and second sec theta minus 2 also 0. So sec theta equal to minus 3, and here we get sec theta equal to 2 we get. So in the option minus 3 not given but 2 is given. Go for second option. So this is also very easy problem. Log of sine 1, log of sine 2, log of sine up to 179 terms are given. So in the middle we can find sine 90 also. So first writing as it is, second also writing as it is. You know that sine 90 is 1, I am writing, last term writing as it is. And you know everybody, log of 1 always how much, you know, first writing as it is, second writing as it is. So this is the product total. So this can be written as log 1 0. If the log 1 is 0, the total value becomes 0. So option is 0. See here, tan alpha plus beta equal to root 3 given 27, and root 3 can be written as tan 60. Tan 60 value is root 3. So here tan alpha plus beta root 3. If you compare alpha plus beta equal to 60 degrees we can write. And one more condition it is given, that tan alpha minus beta equal to minus 1 given. So that is tan 45. So alpha minus beta equal to, you can write tan 45 you can write. So this is first result and this is second result, let us take. So if you add both, what we get, you know, alpha plus beta equal to 1 minus 2. If you find the difference, alpha plus beta 60, alpha minus beta equal to 45. So if you subtract, alpha gets cancelled, and here beta, when you subtract minus beta becomes plus 2 beta equal to 60 minus 45 is 15. So beta equal to, you will get 15 by 2. So question is asked to find the value of tan 6 beta. So 6 beta equal to 6 into beta value, we got 15 by 2. So this become 15 3 is a 45. So tan 6 beta equal to we got here 45 degrees. Let us find tan 6 beta equal to tan 45, that is 1, and option is 3. So here x equal to r cos theta cos pi given. Let us add the three results by squaring it. X square equal to r square cos theta cos pi whole square, and y square equal to r cos theta sin pi whole square, and z square also third result r sin theta whole square. Yes, z square, square it on both sides. Now if you square it each terms, r square, here cos square, and here cos square pi, and plus r square and cos square and sin square pi. Sin square pi, and next here r not come, r square sin square theta. Now in these two terms, first two terms, if you observe, there is a common, that is r square cos square theta, r square cos square theta. Here cos square pi left, and in second term sin square pi left. So and last term is plus r square sin square theta as it is. So this is the identity. We can write in the form of 1 r square cos square theta into 1 plus r square sin square theta. And now r square, if you take common, here cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta into 1. It becomes as it is cos square theta, and plus r square theta already common, sin square theta left. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 into r square is r square answer, option 1. So here what is given question, you see 2 sin square a minus cot square b equal to 1 given. So here cot place I am writing cos by sin. Cot can be written as, cot ratio can be written as cos by sin, that is written. And here sin, if you multiply this side, sin square a and b will be multiplied, okay, and the denominator sin square b will multiply to 1, okay. So this term become like this, and in this way minus cos square b, let us take this side, minus cos becomes plus cos. So we get in the form of, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 we get. Next let us take 2 that side, it will divide 1 by 2, and here common square sin a and sin b, common square, if you take this side, square becomes square root, so that is square becomes even plus or minus also. So sin a sin b equal to plus or minus root 2 is the option second. Now in this question, the value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta plus cos square theta you have to find. So by using the formula a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, using this you can find. In a place let us substitute sin square theta, and in b place let us substitute cos square theta. So this formula becomes now a place sin square theta, b place cos square theta whole cube, a cube sin square theta whole cube, and b cube cos square theta whole cube, 3ab, 3 writing as it is, a sin square and b cos square, a plus b means sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here we got one identity, and here we got one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and here also sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So let us write 1 and 1 in two terms, remaining I am writing as it is, okay, this one. And next you see 2 3s are, this becomes 6, 2 3s are, this becomes 6, and 1 into 3 sin square theta cos square theta is 1, and 1 cube is 1. And now question is asked that only, you see sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. And so here question is given x tan square 120, 4 cos square 150 equal to 9 given. You have to find the value of x. So here you see, if you observe first given condition, this is, and condition how I am writing, you see 120 I am writing as 90 plus 30, 150 I am writing as 90 plus 60, okay. And next you see tan 90 plus theta, it is in second quadrant, tan is negative in second quadrant, and cos also negative in second quadrant. So second quadrant cos minus tan 90 plus theta cot theta, cos 90 plus theta sin theta, okay. And here let us substitute the values of both. Cot 30 equal to root 3, that written here. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, that is written here. Square square writing as it is. And here 3 square root gets cancelled and minus square becomes positive 3. Okay, so this 3 and x becomes 3x, and plus 4 as it is, into here minus square becomes positive, and root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4. 4 gets cancelled, so remaining terms are 3x and in this 3 left equal to 9. Now plus 3 let us take that side, so 9 minus 3 becomes 6. So here 3 is multiplying quantity, will divide that side if you take that. So 3 2 is 6, so x equal to 2 is. So in this question 33, in triangle ABC, right angle is at C given, then you have to find the value of tan A plus tan B. So let us draw the right angle in this way. A here, B here, and C is given, remember it. At C you have to draw the right angle. And here small letters, using the small letters, AB equal to C you have to take. AB opposite side C, and BC opposite side is A, small a, and CA opposite side is B, small b. So like this you have to name the small letters using the sides of right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, let us apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. So this can be written as AB equal to C square, and AC equal to, AC side becomes C, AC equal to B, and next to BC equal to A written. So now question, you see this tan A plus tan B equal to, tan ratio opposite by adjacent, that I written, and here side A given, that's why A written. Tan B equal to side opposite to B, here B given, writing B, adjacent. So this is the ratio of tan. Now opposite to A is BC side, adjacent is AC. Opposite to B is AC side, adjacent is third one, that is BC. Okay, next I have written here adjacent is BC. Now if you take the LCM, AC into BC, AC BC, BC into BC, BC square, AC into AC, AC square. So here you got already result, BC square plus AC square equal to, result is C square, that is written. AC, the length of AC is B and length of BC is A. So result is C square by AB. Answer also it is C square by AB, option 3. So here also we have to find the value of this. Tan pi by 24, tan 3 pi by 24, and tan 5 pi by 24. Next tan 7 pi by 24, and next tan 9 pi by 24. Next two terms are tan 11 pi by 24 and tan 16 pi by 24. So by using the quadrants, how do you simplify? Let us see. So here one formula before I am going to write, that is tan theta equal to, you can write in terms of cot, like cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus theta in first quadrant, it is tan theta. Otherwise tan theta means, let us take pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 can be written as cot 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta we can write. So here theta place I am writing pi by 2. So this is cot tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta I am writing here. Next also tan 3 pi by 4 equal to I am writing cot 90 minus theta. And next tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Theta is 5 pi by 24. And remaining three terms, 1, 2, 3, I am writing as it is, not changing anything. Why? Because we get the same terms by after simplifying these first three terms. And last one, how I am changing, you see, tan theta equal to, again I am writing in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta can be written as tan theta, that is okay. And now if you simplify, what results we get, you see. So here in first two terms, cot 24 is LCM, and to get 24 here 12 should be multiplied, 12 pi minus 1 pi. And second one also same, LCM is 24, and to get 24 here 12 pi should be multiplied, 12 pi minus 3 pi. And here also take 24 LCM, 12 should be multiplied, 12 pi minus 5 pi. And next three terms I am writing same, 1 2 3. Now you have understood that 7 pi we got, 9 pi we got, 11 pi we got in these three terms. After subtracting you get. And last one also cot, take it, cot 90 minus theta is, here we get minus, so that's why minus written outside. Why? Because here 12 minus 16 is minus, so 16 comes first, 16 minus 12 I am writing, okay, that is minus, that's why written outside here. And next equal to 12 minus 1, that is cot 12 minus 12 pi minus 1 pi can be written as 12 pi minus 1 pi can be written as cot 11 pi by 24. And here we got tan 11 pi by 24 given in the question, writing at a time. And next result, this one, 12 minus 5 cot 12 minus 3, 9 pi, and one more 9 pi tan given, that written at a time, write as second term. Next in the same way, cot 12 minus 5, cot 12 minus 5, that is 7 pi by 24, that is written here. And 7 pi by 24 writing one more pair as a third term, and this can be written as 16 minus 12 minus cot 4 pi by 24. So close that. And now you see cot and tan both they are reciprocals. So reciprocals, if it is there you can cut, that is 1. Product of reciprocals is 1. 3 terms become 1, and last term is minus pi by 6. 6 1s are 6 3s are 4 1s are, so this become cot 30. Okay, so option is root 3. Cot 30 is minus root 3. Option is fourth. So here x equal to what condition given, you know, a sec cube theta tan theta, and y equal to b tan cube theta and sec theta given. So in all the question, if you observe, each are dividing quantities, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So let us divide both. A sec cube theta tan theta divided by b tan cube theta sec theta. So here what we do, x by y writing as it is. Here sec 1 sec gets cancelled and tan 1 tan gets cancelled. Here 1 sec gets cancelled, square left, 1 tan gets cancelled, square left, that is. So now sec theta I am writing as its reciprocal cos square theta, and b tan ratio, you know, sin square theta by cos square theta. Now here cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled, cos square and this cos square gets cancelled. So x by y equal to we get a by b sin square theta. We have to find the value of sin square theta. So sin square theta equal to, take this side, dividing quantity, and x by y take this side, it becomes y by x, b into x. So that is the value of sine square theta. Okay, now you see the option a y by bx, that is fourth. So here it is given two conditions. One is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. So here square asked, you see x square by a square, y square by b square. So let us square it on both sides. What we get, x square by a square by using a plus b whole square. So this is a square plus b square. All the terms you have to square it. B square by y square by b square sin square theta, and 2ab term 2xy by ab, 2ab term this is. Okay, next right side one given, writing as it is. Now second condition given, same, sin theta x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta equal to 1 given. Here also let us square it on both sides by using a minus b whole square formula. So a square, this is each term square it, plus b square, each term square it, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is minus 2ab. Each term if you multiply you will get this answer equal to 1. Now let us add both the results. Whatever you got by squaring, let us add this. What we get, you see here in this 2 x square by a square, x square by a square common. So take it. First cos square theta, second sin square theta. In second two terms let us take y square by b square common. So sin square theta left, in second term cos square theta left. So here 2xy by ab, 2xy by ab gets cancelled, becomes 0, and right side 1 plus 1 add it 2. So here sin square theta cos square theta is 1, and here also sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So question is asked x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. That's all. Option 2, 3. And here it is given that alpha beta are complementary angles. Both are, when complementary angles are given, what is the sum of two angles? That is alpha plus beta equal to we get right angles. Right angle means alpha plus beta equal to 90 degrees. So that is the condition given in the question. And ratio it is given sin alpha equal to 3 by 5 given. So 3 means what it is, opposite by hypotenuse. Sin alpha equal to 3 by 5 given, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So by using the Pythagoras triplet 3, 4, 5 you can find other angles. So Pythagoras triplet is 3, 4, 5. So here 3 is opposite, 5 is hypotenuse, and 4th is adjacent, remember it. Now cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse, so 4 by 5. Okay, sin alpha we got, cos alpha we got. Now we have to find sin alpha equal to, you can write 90 minus beta by using this condition. Okay, alpha equal to 90 minus beta written in this place. Observe it, first term. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta 3 by 5. In the same way second term cos alpha equal to, you can write 90 minus beta. Okay, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin beta equal to 4 by 5. So question, you see what is asked, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So let us substitute the values. What you got here, sin alpha 3 by 5, cos beta 3 by 5 minus cos alpha 4 by 5 into sin beta 4 by 5 you got. If you multiply you will get 25 is LCM, 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 is 16. So 9 minus 16 is minus 7 by 25 is the correct answer, and option is 2. Look here. So 4a square sine square 3 pi by 4. How I am writing, you see, 4a square sine square 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi plus pi by 4 minus 3, writing as it is, minus 3 tan 225 I am writing as 180. 180 plus 45 we can write in the form of 225, square writing as it is, plus 2a cos 315 I am writing as cos 360 minus 45, square writing as it is. Now how it will be changed, you see, sin 180 minus theta, it is in second quadrant. So second quadrant is sign positive and this is not minus, just cut it, this is not minus. Okay, sin 45 square minus 3a and tan 180 plus theta equal to third quadrant positive, square, and 2a whole square 4a square, and next tan 3 cos 360 minus theta is in fourth quadrant plus cos 45. Now let us write the values. 4a square writing as it is, sin 45 1 by root 2 whole square minus 3 a square, tan 45 is 1, tan 45 is 1, and next the square is already separated. Next 4 into 4a square, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and square is only for cos square, not for whole. And next 4a square 1 by root 2 whole square can be written as root 2 square, and here 3 into a square 3a square, and here 4a square 1 by root 2 square 2 2's gets cancelled. So here root 2 square becomes 2 only, 2 1's are 2 2's are, so here it becomes 2a square plus 2a square 4a square and minus 3, 4 minus 3 1a square is the answer, option 4.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Follow my WhatsApp channel from the description.